In today's review, we will be taking a look at the World's Greatest Magic UV Gypsy thread by Murphy's Magic. So what is the Gypsy thread effect? It is a classic broken and restored thread effect. The performer takes a long strand of thread and breaks it into several pieces. You then ball up the pieces, tie them back onto one of the broken strands, and the thread is restored back into one long piece. The UV version adds visibility when performed in UV lit environments. I first saw the broken and restored thread effect from David Copperfield's Walking Through the Great Wall of China TV special. I really liked it and have performed it on and off. So what do you receive? It comes in this little box. World's Greatest Magic Gypsy thread. Super Glow UV thread. World's Greatest Magic from the World's Greatest Magicians. Easy Break technology. Over 300 feet of thread. So if you use 6 to 7 feet per performance, this should last you way over 40 performances. Inside is the spool of thread and also a card with a link to the instructional video. Murphy's Magic offers 4 colors for the thread, and you can get them in 2 options. One set that comes with a small UV light, which costs $27 and another refill thread set for $15 I did not get the set that comes with the UV light as I already had one, and is very similar to the one you see in the trailer. The downloadable tutorial you receive is the World's Greatest Magic Gypsy Thread DVD, and it contains routines from the masters like Daryl, Jeffrey Buckingham, Bob Reed, Henry Evans, Cellini, and Eugene Berger. Each one of them goes through their routine and teaches you the method for the Gypsy thread. The broken and restored thread is a fun effect to perform. It can be done close up, but also gives opportunities for storytelling and parlor type performances. The angles for the effect is pretty good, except for right behind you. However, it does require a setup, and reset takes approximately 1 minute. The thread provided is great, and it looks very thick, especially under UV light. I have found other thread that glows under UV light, but as you can see, the Murphy's one looks way thicker and brighter. Here is also a comparison with thread that does not glow under UV light. In close-up or very quiet environments, or if you break the thread very close to a microphone, the Murphy's thread provides a very nice audible snap sound. Here is a sound test. The UV properties of the thread, in my opinion, is best used in a parlor or formal setting. However, you may want to get a bigger UV light or one of those UV panel lights, as this may not be sufficient. Of course, you can still perform this without utilizing the UV properties in a walk-around or close-up environment, as even without the UV properties, the thread is thick and visible. I really like this and would recommend it to anyone wanting to learn the Gypsy thread or the broken and restored thread. Thank you for watching. Here are some reviews for you to watch next, and I will see you in the next video.